Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Coco and today I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install these Boho crochet locks. This is my first time installing these and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So if you guys want to see how I did it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Jumping straight into this video, I have already sectioned and braided down my parts. This is just me showing you how many rows I had in the front. I had a total of 5 in the front. I did that on each side. For the back of my head, I went ahead and did some medium parts. I had a total of 30 braids for the back, and then for the front of my head, I did 14 braids on each side, so that gave me a total of 58 braids. I purchased this hair from Eayon Hair, and I purchased their Crochet Locs with human body wave in 22 inches. It comes with this little tool packet that you can use for installing these locks. I ordered 3 packs of this hair, so this was a total of 72 locks. Each pack comes with 24 locks. Depending on how you want to install it, it definitely depends on how much hair you would need, but I ended up using like 2.5 packs of this hair. Coming straight out of the packaging, this hair was super soft and good quality overall. I've never had any hair that felt like this. I definitely could have went with like an 18-inch considering how I chose to install these locks. My hair is a little bit on the longer side, so also keep that in mind if you have a longer hair. You also will need some kinky spring twist hair, some type of like afro marley hair to wrap your hair. And then I also used my 3 mirror to help me see the back of my head. Sometimes these loops can be extremely small, so you may have to stretch them open just to make sure that your hair will be able to slide through. I know I had to do this for everyone that I use, so also keep that in mind. And I went ahead and did almost all of the back just to make sure I had the technique down pat before I actually showed you guys how I was doing this. But the process is super easy, so just stay with me. So I'm starting off on this braid, and I'm going to go ahead and take my crochet hair and get my kinky hair set aside. That way I can just grab it. So what you want to do is you want to take your crochet needle and stick it through the loop of the crochet lock. And then we are going to take the middle of our braid and we're going to hook it onto the crochet hook. And we're going to slide that lock onto our hair. And I'm doing this in real time so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. And then we're going to take the end of our braid and we are going to crochet it through the base of our braid. I know this can seem a little bit difficult, but I promise you as you do it, like it's going to be really easy. So we're going to take our kinky hair and we're going to go ahead and crochet that through the base as well. And if you know how to crochet, this style should be pretty easy for you to do. So crocheting that kinky hair through, and then we're going to pull one side through. You're going to make sure that one side is longer than the other, and you're also going to make sure that your hair is even. You want it to sit right above that loop of the crochet hair. This is going to make it so much easier for when it comes to taking down your hair. And then I just begin to wrap at the base really tightly, and then as I'm going down, I don't wrap it too tight because as you're wrapping and going down, it's going to get tighter anyways. So I just wrap it the best I can, and then when I get down towards the loop of the crochet, I'll just take that kinky hair and start to wrap it up. You really don't want to go past that point because when it comes to taking this down, it's going to be so much easier to just find and feel where that loop starts. And that's basically it. This is really simple. I'm going to show you guys again and I'm going to explain it to you guys again just to give you guys a different look on how I do this. So here I am again. I'm taking that crochet lock and I'm going to go ahead and get my crochet needle. That way I can crochet it through my braid. Again, taking the middle of my braid, sliding that lock onto my braid, and then I'm taking the end of my braid and we're going to crochet that through the base of our braid. Alright, then we're going to get our kinky hair and we're going to go ahead and crochet that as well through the base of the braid. Once you have that crocheted, you want to make one side longer than the other, and you also want to make sure that your hair is even down to that loop, and then you just want to begin to wrap. I also do this like little rubbing motion with the lock. This just ensures that the kinky hair just kind of stays intact. And that's it. I am all done. I'm going to answer some questions that you guys will probably have. Does it unravel? Do you have any problems with the kinky hair unraveling? And yes, I did have a couple that unraveled sometimes, and that's totally on my fault because I didn't wrap that tightly and I should have used a little bit more hair to wrap. But yes, the ones in the back were good. It's just the ones in the front, I didn't really wrap them that tightly because it was close to my edges. If you wrap it tight enough, you shouldn't have any issues. And I want to mention to you guys that I also wear this hair on vacation, so I was in the swimming pool, I was at the beach, so it definitely held it up for like a month. I could have kept it in longer, but since I was in the water, I just went ahead and took it out. But I am going to be reusing these locks. They are human hair, so you can wash it. I'm going to wash them, I'm going to condition them, detangle the hair, and then I'm going to use this for another time for me to install this hair. But here I am. This is probably like a week later. You guys see me refreshing my hair. I sprayed some water on it, some leave-in conditioner spray on it, and now I'm applying some mousse. And yeah, I just love this hair. I usually go for like a kinkier look, but I kind of like this like beach wave hair. Is not really that curly, it's kind of just more on the wavy side. So if you like that style, then I definitely feel like you guys should check out Eayon Hair. Eayon Hair, if you're watching this, please sponsor me. I literally love your hair. It's so good. But yes guys, you've made it to the end of this video. If you guys really did enjoy this tutorial, let me know your thoughts down below. If you're trying to achieve this hairstyle, if you have any questions, I will answer them in the comments. Just comment them down below. But yeah, I thank you guys so much for watching this video. And like I always say, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!